welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Capri and I shoot lifestyle, hair, beauty, all kind of videos, a little bit of everything, girl. But today we are reviewing this 14-inch 5x5 glueless lace wig from Luvme Hair. So if you're interested in seeing how effortless and easy it was to style this wig and get this like this, keep on watching, girl, because this is a good one. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into this wig. It comes in the iconic Luvme Hair box. Everybody know that purple box from anywhere, right? Alright, so they also sent your girl a nice little Christmas bag. So if this is a Christmas gift for somebody or any kind of holiday gift, this is perfect. They do send the wig in their iconic bag. And then you get some goodies. So let's get into these goodies right quick, because you know it's been a minute since I got me a wig from Luvme Hair. But baby, the goodies this time, they have upgraded. You get some press-ons. Everybody know I love me a good press-on. Got them on right now. But these right here, these are the holiday edition press-ons. You get some really, really cute hoop earrings, because what girl doesn't love some hoop earrings? And you also get a pair of lashes, period. Okay, Luvme Hair. And let's see what we got. So it comes with a net on it, and I already went ahead and I put a little lace tint on the lace because I just want to get it matching as perfect as possible. So this is what she looks like straight out of the box. The curls are nice and tight, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. We're gonna pull them out, get her right, and this is what it looks like. This is a closure wig. It does have the band in the back, and it does have the adjustable band back here with the combs, and then 2 combs in the front. So your standard setup, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pop her on right quick and see what she's giving. Okay, so the best part about this wig is it's glueless, 100% completely glueless. It is not going anywhere. It's nice and secure. I can pop it on, pop it off whenever I need to. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into how this looks in the front. It already came pretty much plucked. I just did very minor plucking, but sis is looking good already right out of the box without doing too much work. We love that, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all exactly how seamless this is. This wig right here, baby, made for me. I love it because it's not too long. The curls are nice and dainty, because we don't want all that long hair all the time. We don't want a bust down middle part wig all the time, right? So I'm about to go ahead and cut the lace on this wig so we can get the full effect of it, because baby, sis is about to be slayed and laid, all right? Really, sis, there is no way that this is a glueless wig. Oh my god, I will never go back to gluing my wigs down. This will help protect my edges, which are already getting a little thin from, you know, bonding and gluing and all that to my wigs. But now I don't even have to do all that. Like, yes, pop her on, pop her off. So easy. So just to pop it right back on, let me show y'all, because some of y'all might not believe that this is even a glueless wig. Like, look how easy that is. Pop it on and you ready for the day, sis. You are ready. You can go out the door, go on about your day, do what you gotta do. Perfect. This is like perfect for someone that just doesn't really know how to do lace wigs. You don't even have to know how to do wigs. You just pop it on. That's the beauty in this. So yeah, let's go ahead and brush out some of the curls a little bit to see what this is really giving. Oh, sis is cute already. You don't even really need to do too much to it. This is a very modest wig for beginners or moderate wig wearers. Yeah, I'm loving this. This is gonna be my go-to wig for a while. And oh my God, it's so buttery soft. Like, do you see how my fingers are just like gliding through that? Sis, you need this. You definitely need this. If I've ever recommended a hair piece before, like a wig or clip-ins, she's the one. She's the one you need to go and grab right now from Luvme Hair. Like, look at the bounce in the curls. Tell me that ain't popping. Tell me the bounce ain't bouncing. And another thing I love about this wig, usually I have to do some baby hairs to kind of cover up the edges. Y'all know how we do. But with this, you don't even need baby hairs because why? Why would you need baby hairs? This no baby hair look is eating, okay? It is eating. So this is what it looks like from the back. Very, very soft, very bouncy. Love the curls. And these are the curls that are straight out of the pack. Like, I didn't even have to put any heat in this hair whatsoever. It's ready to wear straight out of the pack. All you have to do is take a couple minutes to cut the lace and you're ready to go. So that is all for today's video. And if you didn't already notice, there is a code down below and a link so you can save a few coins off of this hair, because I know y'all about to go run and grab it right now. But thank you all for watching. Make sure you tune into my next video, and as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. Love you.